Good morning. Today I've come down to my favourite bush track and I'm going to create some art purely because it feels good in my soul. It's really lovely when you come down to the bush on country to just notice some of the fallen leaves and flowers and the birds sing around you. It's a really grounding way to find inspiration in the everyday. As I walk along, I'm looking for a place that I can make some art, and by making art I mean using some of the natural materials, and I've also brought in my bag some raffia. So here we go. So you come to the Hayes Inlet Eco Path, kind of coming down, say, I don't know, 30 metres or so. And then if you look to the left, you'll find my latest nature installation. I'm going to call this one Web of Beauty. All finished.